Recently I released the best stop loss part 2 video on the main TradeSmart channel, in which I tested many indicators as trading stop losses to find the best one. To complete the research and backtest, I created dozens of simple Pinescript strategies with the help of ChatGPT. After completing the research, I noticed that the BTCUSDT 4-hour chart worked the best, so I decided to optimize the strategy with the best stop loss method that was not disqualified, which is the Donchian Channel. In this video, I will explain the full strategy, show you my optimized settings and the backtest results for the last 4 years. At the end, we will also take a look on the strategy ranking spreadsheet, and the best part, I will give you the full strategy source code for free. Without wasting any time, let's get right into it. If you want to get the other 6 simple strategy scripts and the full best stop loss part 2 research data, you can get it from my Patreon shop, link is in the description. These 6 simple scripts includes all the different stop losses I've tested. Okay, first of all, keep in mind that this strategy is very simple. It was made to backtest a specific stop loss indicator. First of all, open up TradingView and set up the BTCUSDT 4-hour chart. Once you got that, let's set the indicators. For this strategy, we will need 3 different indicators. Our entry signal indicator will be a mid-range indicator. It's not the greatest, not the worst. It's called squeeze momentum. This one. For a stop loss, we will use the best stop loss I could find, which is the Donchian. Add this one. And for the take profit, we are using a simple ATR based take profit, so type in NNFX ATR. Add this one. Okay, we got all the indicators needed, but we need to change a few settings, so let's go over them one by one. For our entry signal indicator, the squeeze momentum, we will change the KC length to 16, and you can leave everything else as it is. In the styles tab, I also unticked this plot option. For a stop loss indicator, the Donchian, we will change the length value to 65. And you can simply untick the basis and the upper line, as this strategy is long only, so we'll only need the lower line for a stop loss. And finally, with our take profit indicator, we will need to change the X value to 90 and the TP value to 9. Then go to the styles tab, uncheck all of these options, and change the line style of the buy TP to step line. At this point, we've got all of our indicators correctly set up on the chart, so now let's quickly go over the rules. As you can see, our script is already applied to the chart, that's why you can see long entry points and exit points. This is how the script will look like. I will explain in a moment how you can get access to it, but first let's go over the rules for longs. Okay, here is a valid long entry signal. For a valid long entry, we only need the squeeze momentum to turn from red to green. That's all. We can enter at the close of the signal candle or at the open of the next candle. The stop loss will be placed at the lower Donchian line, this one, and the take profit to the upper NNFX ATR line, right there. And as you can see, this is a winning trade. Here's another example. Here the squeeze momentum was red just for one candle, but then it turned back to green. And that is a valid long entry signal. Entry will be at the close of the signal candle or at the open of the next candle. The stop loss again will be down at the Donchian Channel, right here. And the take profit at the upper NNFX ATR line. This is another winning trade, however this one has a lower risk to reward ratio, 1 to 0.68, compared to the previous one which had a 1 to 2.34. Now I know this strategy is as simple as it can get, one entry signal, one stop loss and one take profit, and that's all, but I was able to get an optimized settings that actually gave a profitable strategy. So now let's take a look on the script first, how you can get access to it, then we will go over the backtest results and the strategy ranking spreadsheet. So this is how the script will look like. It only has 4 inputs tab and an option to choose the trade direction. For the entry signal, here you can set its length. The stop loss can be set here and the take profit here. To get access to this script, just go down into the description or into the comment section. There you will find a Google Drive link. Open that link, it will lead you to the code itself. Copy the code, then come back to TradingView. At the bottom, open up the Pine editor, then click here, then create new and strategy. Then highlight everything here, paste the code right there, and finally click on Add to Chart. If you've done everything correctly, you should see the strategy script right here. With this script, you can modify all the settings of this strategy, backtest them immediately with just a few clicks. Talking about the backtests, now let's see the backtest results for the BTCUSDT 4-hour chart for the last 4 years of price data. And here are the backtest results. The start date is the 1st of May 2020 and the end date 1st of May 2024. During this period, the strategy took 106 trades only, that generated 397% net profit, with a 1.6 profit factor and a 25% maximum drawdown. Now, I know 106 trades might seem a bit low, which can indicate overfitting or over-optimization, and you are totally right, it is low. So let's take a look on the after optimization backtest results to see if it's even profitable after that. I will change the end date to today's date, which is December the 1st, and the start date to 2024, the 1st of May. And here are the out of sample after optimization date backtest results. And as you can see, it is also profitable. It only took 15 trades in around a 7-month period, but during those 15 trades, the script generated 87% net profit, with a 2.7 profit factor and 31% maximum drawdown. Oh, I forgot to mention the properties tab, so the details of the backtest. The initial capital is set to 100k and the order size to 200k, which means that we are taking a 200k position on each trade. These values can be changed. The important thing is that a 1:2 initial capital to order size ratio should be met. So you can use a $1,000 initial capital with a $2,000 order size. The pyramiding is set to 1, meaning we can only enter one trade at a time. The commission is set to 0.1% on each entry and exit, and the slippage is set to 2. And with that, we are almost finished with the video, but let's take a look on the strategy ranking spreadsheet and see where this strategy is placed among the around 20 or 30 strategies I have showcased so far. And here is the strategy ranking spreadsheet, and today's video is the best stop loss strategy for the BTCUSDT 4-hour chart. In this spreadsheet you can find every information of the 4-year backtest results, alongside with the YouTube video and the download link that I will paste here. This strategy, with its almost 400% net profit results, took the 18th place out of the 30 strategies I have tested so far. Considering that this strategy is the simplest strategy as it can get, one entry signal, one stop loss and one take profit, the 18th placement is pretty good. I would recommend you to take the source code and go over to ChatGPT, add a few indicators you would like. I would definitely add a baseline indicator or trend filter indicator like the RMA or the EMA. I would also add a momentum indicator, for example the ADX or the candle momentum. Using an exit signal indicator instead of the fixed take profit level would be a good choice too, in my opinion. And maybe a volatility based filter like the TDFI should work great. You can find the spreadsheet linked down in the description. And that wraps up today's video. To support the channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and turn on the notification bell. Also visit my Patreon shop if you want to get the 6 other scripts and the research data created for the best stop loss part 2 video. If you want to find out which are the best stop loss indicators and methods, check out this video on the main TradeSmart channel. Or if you want to see a more profitable strategy, check out this video. As always, thank you all for watching, have an amazing day, and until next time, trade smart.